Yo, what's up guys? So back again with another video today. So my friend actually went and he already picked up his brand new 2020 Polaris Assault 850. So I'm gonna give you a first look, kind of show you what it looks like they changed a little bit. Things are gonna be a little bit different. Plus also he got this awesome red color scheme right here. He got the PID gauge, he got the 1.6 studded track and everything like that. So before we jump into today's video guys, if you guys can do me a favor, we just hit like 920. We're getting so close to that 1,000 mark. So if you guys can go down below and hit that subscribe button for me, it would help me out a lot. And then also, this is his new sled, so you'll be seeing some of this. And then also, I am actually going to be getting a new sled, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want to see new content like that, hit that subscribe button. This year is going to be awesome. Going to take a trip probably to Maine, go ride up there, go play in some powder. So let's get into today's video, guys, at the new Polaris 2020 Assault 850. I love the color they have on it this year with the red and the black. It looks awesome. Already looking at it, I've noticed that the idler wheels here in the back, they actually are different from last year. They got them all matching. So mine last year, the rear idler wheel looked different than the other inners and everything. But that is one difference that I've noticed. Also, I'm not a fan of the marking for the Assault badging and everything is actually here this year. Mine was up on the quarter panel. Instead, this year is down here. I mean, it still does look good, but I liked it when I was up in this area here. The design on it definitely is really cool. They have this going on and everything. But the skis, you got the red and the black. They're the same skis as last year. Same shock package, everything. And obviously Polaris leading LED lights up front. Great, I love them. I love them so much, guys. So also guys, another thing that I've noticed too is I think they upgraded right here. You have your little package. You can see in there they have tons of vents all through it, which is fantastic. And then you guys know also the PIDD gauge right here up front, the leading gauge right now on Polaris snowmobiles. He has. It's awesome. I hope that they come out with a new gauge here soon. I heard they're going to come out with one. It's going to be bigger. It's going to be like a 7-inch touch screen, all sorts of stuff. I think that it come in like the Polaris Rangers and everything now, RZRs. But overall, guys, I am super stoked. Snowmobile season is coming up very, very, very quickly. It'll be upon us. I can't wait to pick up my new sled too. But now we're going to move in down to the seat. It's still the same seat from last year, nice and plush. And then we have the same bag as last year, which I actually am a really big fan of this because the bag right here, anything you put in it actually stays pretty warm because the antifreeze and everything runs down through the bottom of your tunnel to cool, and it actually keeps this bag pretty warm. So that's awesome. And then as you can see, guys, you know it's new because he is still yet to take off the little foam pads on the side. I did the same thing last year, guys. Literally, I got to my ride for the first ride, and I realized, oh man, I totally forgot to take them off, so I had to snip them off before I even could do anything at all. But in the comment down below, guys, let me know, what do you think about this new Polaris 2020? What do you think about the color scheme? Do you guys like it? Do you not like it? What would the color scheme you have? If you did pre-order one, what color scheme did you use? And what do you guys think about the new Chaos coming out too? Overall though, I love this sled. I can't wait. I think he's gonna let me ride it a little bit this year. Maybe I'll let him take mine for a test ride. Another thing too, guys, that I like about this sled, the snow flap. They actually made it so, you know, I like to do wheelies and everything else. There's a spot, it goes to the bar here. I kind of wish though that it was like Skidoo, it kind of came up more. That'd be nice, but it does kink. It has a thing so it kinks. So if you do wheelies or get stuck, it does come up and it won't break your snow flap off. Because that's a big issue that a lot of people have, is the snow flap actually does break when you're doing wheelies. When we get into the deep snow and everything, that's one thing that people were having a problem with. If they would get stuck, what would end up happening is you'd go through and you just spin it up, you know, the snow flap would come up and it would actually break because there's so much of that packy snow pushing up to the bottom. So it's a good thing they did that. So guys, as you can see up here, so I'm not sure what the break-in is going to be like. This right here does say not to operate at full throttle or at high speeds for extended periods of time during the first tank of fuel. So I'm not sure if that is going to be like the break-in. You only got to go through like one full tank, which usually is like 120 miles. Or if you're going to have to go for the full 500 miles like they did last year for break-in. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll get back to you guys on that in later videos when I start getting into it and everything else. But overall, guys, I don't know if you guys are as happy as I am. I am super stoked for the 2020 season. These sleds are amazing. As you guys know, you've seen plenty of my videos. They wheelie great, they ride great, they go in deep snow, everything. So like I said, guys, before, if you guys want to go down and hit that subscribe button for me, especially for new content coming soon, you're going to see this sled in action. You're probably going to be seeing my new sled in action. And it's going to be a great year, guys. 2020 is going to be the year for snowmobiling. I'm hoping to go to Maine. I can't wait for that. And then also we're going to do a lot of riding, Old Forge, Tug Hill, local riding down by me, all sorts of stuff, guys. So it's going to be a great, great time, guys. And guys, also, if you guys are looking to start a YouTube channel or do anything like that, and you don't know what you use, go down in my description and you'll see some Amazon links that I have. I have GoPro, like I have a GoPro Hero 5 that I use. GoPro Hero 7, I haven't upgraded to yet. I think I'm gonna upgrade soon, but the GoPro Hero 5 that I have has been phenomenal for the past 2 years that I've owned it. It's been great. Also, I have some mounts on there that I actually do on my helmet, and I have a mic set up and everything, so I can do vlog style stuff. So guys, if you check out in my description, go to those links, and it'll show you everything that I use to be able to film and get great content for you guys, if you guys are looking to do the same thing. So, just a quick walk around again of the sled. Like I said, guys, comment down below what you guys think of this sled, what you like, what you don't like. Tell me what you got this year, what you're riding currently. This is going to be a great year, guys. I can't wait, guys. Well, I think this is going to be wrapping up the video, guys, today. I can't wait. Check out my new videos coming out soon. Also, guys, like I said, be on the lookout. I should be here in the next month or two, be picking up also a brand new sled. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button, guys. It supports me a ton, helps me out. All right, guys, we're going to be cutting it here. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.